Explore the majestic beauty of New Zealand. New Zealand's natural wonders unveil an extraordinary tapestry of landscapes, each more breathtaking than the last. From tranquil lakes to rugged mountains, lush forests, and serene deserts, this country is a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Begin your journey with the dawn, as the rolling hills are painted in lush green hues, accented by a serene, winding blue river. Witness a cinematic sunrise over the desert, where golden hues and scattered clouds create a mesmerizing panorama. Discover the unique boiling green waters, a geothermal marvel that showcases New Zealand's volcanic charm. Snow-dusted hills meet lush greenery in perfect harmony, a hallmark of this island nation's varied climate. Venture into vibrant rainforests, where the canopy shelters an enchanting world of flora and fauna. New Zealand's tranquil countryside is equally captivating. A lone cow grazes in a picturesque green field, epitomizing pastoral serenity. Dry grass sways to the rhythm of drifting clouds in a poetic time-lapse. Adventurers scale mountains to uncover panoramic views that redefine beauty. The magic continues with fiery red sunrises over majestic mountains and golden yellow grasslands bathed in sunlight. Explore the dramatic deserts beneath a vast, endless blue sky. Fiordland National Park, where waterfalls cascade in majestic splendor. A dazzling contrast of clouds dancing over towering peaks. Lakes and forests weave the captivating story. Crystal clear waters mirror their surroundings, creating mesmerizing reflections. Lake Tekapo, adorned with vibrant purple lupins, is a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Dense forests, like those of Yardley Brush, offer an immersive experience into New Zealand's wilderness. Urban and coastal wonders provide balance to the natural spectacle. Auckland's vibrant transitions from night to dawn are a feast for the senses. The coastal roads, hugged by mountains and the sea, offer an unforgettable driving experience. Queenstown's rivers and landscapes, when seen from above, redefine serenity. From volcanic rock formations and lahars to the icy crowns of New Zealand's highest peaks, every corner tells a story. Snow blankets the South Island in winter, transforming the landscape into a serene wonderland. Rivers meander through forests and mountains, creating postcard-perfect scenes. Pebbled hills under dramatic skies evoke an untamed charm. Whether it's exploring bubbling geothermal pools, navigating a giant grass maze, or marveling at the bustling streets of Auckland by night, New Zealand's allure lies in its variety. Drone footage unveils landscapes that defy imagination. Green hills cascading into azure lakes. Tall leafy forests standing as guardians of the land. Notched mountains and volcanic coastlines etched with nature's artistry. As the day ends, sunsets transform lakes and seas into mirrors of vibrant color, closing each day with unforgettable views. New Zealand is a land where nature reigns supreme, inviting you to discover its boundless beauty.
Majestic beauty of New Zealand. Oh, land where dawn begins anew, with skies of gold and rivers blue. Your rolling hills, a verdant sea, whispered tales of eternity. The deserts blush in morning's light, a canvas vast, a pure delight, where boiling springs in emerald gleam unveil a land born of a dream. Snowy peaks and grassy plains, a symphony of sun and rains. Rainforests steep, where shadows play, and nature rules both night and day. A cow grazes in fields serene, beneath a sky so crisply clean. Dry grasses dance, clouds drift above, a land of peace, a place of love. Fiordlands falls in splendor roar, their echoes reach from shore to shore. Crystal lakes, reflections pure, in your embrace, all hearts find cure. Mountains crowned with icy grace stand timeless in their sacred space. Volcanic rocks and coastal charms wrapped gently in your open arms. Oh, Auckland's lights, they brightly gleam, a bustling city's vibrant dream. Yet forests dense and meadows wide hold secrets where the wild resides. From lupin fields to winding streams, you cradle every traveler's dreams. Each sunrise paints, each sunset glows, a timeless beauty that always shows. New Zealand, land of endless hue, our hearts are ever drawn to you. Majestic, wild, serene, and free, a living hymn to eternity.
Here's a list of major cities in New Zealand, each with its unique charm and attractions. North Island. Auckland. The largest city, known as the City of Sails. Features a vibrant urban lifestyle, beautiful harbors, and iconic landmarks like the Sky Tower. Wellington. The capital city, situated at the southern tip of the North Island. Famous for its arts, culture, and culinary scenes, along with the scenic Wellington Harbour. Hamilton. Located in the Waikato region, known for its lush greenery and the Waikato River. Nearby attractions include the Hamilton Gardens and Hobbiton movie set. Tauranga. A coastal city with beautiful beaches and a vibrant port. Popular for Mount Maunganui, a hotspot for hiking and surfing. Napier. Located in the Hawke's Bay region, famous for its Art Deco architecture and wine industry. A great destination for wine tours and coastal beauty. Rotorua. Known for geothermal activity, geysers, and Maori cultural experiences. Home to the Rotorua Lakes and Wakaruwa Forest. New Plymouth. Nestled under Mount Taranaki, a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Known for the coastal walkway and vibrant art galleries. Whangarei. The northernmost city, known for its harbor and waterfalls. A gateway to the Bay of Islands. Palmerston North. A hub for education and research, home to Massey University. Features lush parks and cultural institutions like Te Manawa Museum. South Island. Christchurch. The largest city on the South Island, known as the Garden City. Renowned for its beautiful parks, innovative rebuild post-earthquake, and the Avon River. Queenstown. A world-famous adventure destination surrounded by mountains and Lake Wakatipu. Popular for skiing, bungee jumping, and breathtaking landscapes. Dunedin. A city rich in Scottish heritage and home to the University of Otago. Known for wildlife, such as penguins and albatrosses, and the stunning Otago Peninsula. Nelson. Celebrated for its sunny weather, art scene, and proximity to Abel Tasman National Park. A hub for wine lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Invercargill. The southernmost city, known for its relaxed vibe and proximity to nature. A gateway to Stewart Island and Fiordland National Park. Blenheim. Located in the heart of Marlborough wine country. Famous for Sauvignon Blanc and sunny weather. Timaru. A charming coastal city with beautiful Caroline Bay. Offers heritage architecture and a relaxed seaside vibe. Greymouth. Located on the west coast, known for its mining history and rugged coastline. Close to Pancake Rocks at Punakaiki. New Zealand is a land of boundless beauty and endless discovery, where nature's wonders and vibrant cities come together in perfect harmony. From snow-capped mountains to serene beaches, lush forests to geothermal marvels, every corner tells a story of awe and inspiration. Whether seeking adventure, tranquility, or cultural richness, New Zealand leaves an indelible mark on all who visit, a true testament to the magic of our natural world.